1 crore. This initiative is not just in financial support, it is a recognition of excellence, a celebration of merit, and a commitment to nurturing future achievers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's high time to celebrate the dedication of a hardworking generation. Let's put our hands together for them.
देवियों और सज्जनों, तालियों का सिलसिला रुकना नहीं चाहिए. Great champions are not born. They are made through unwavering self-belief, relentless efforts, and the courage to keep trying.
The sports facilities at CIST comprise an expansive football field, a premier basketball court, and a spacious indoor games arena, all designed to enhance students' physical health, teamwork skills, and emotional well-being.
The school inaugurated its newly constructed athletic track and badminton court to foster discipline, perseverance, and holistic growth among students. Inaugurated by Mr. Ajay Jairam, an ex-India international badminton star, the ceremony marked a significant milestone in the enrichment of the institution's infrastructural and sporting facilities.
Striving on district, state, and national stages, our students turn participation into victories in disciplines such as basketball, football, swimming, and many more.
We take great pleasure in announcing that CIST Suva won 173 gold medals, 80 silver medals, and 96 bronze medals at zonal and district levels in Punjab School Games 2025. The sporting spirit of our students is truly remarkable. This deserves a huge round of applause.
We hosted the Inter-School Torrance Musical Competition in collaboration with Torrance Music Academy to provide a magnificent platform for young musicians to exhibit their musical prowess and artistic expression. The event attracted enthusiastic participation of 116 students from across the region, 10 schools ranging from junior to senior levels, and 15 teams consisting of their most talented musicians to compete, creating a vibrant and diverse musical atmosphere. In juniors and seniors band category, we clinched the second position. Janveer Singh Teji received the Best Guitarist Award, whereas Parbandadeep Singh received the Best Bassist Award, and Sayam Salgotra secured the Best Drummer Award.
Dear audience, let's recognize the efforts of a student with a roaring round of applause.
The school takes immense pride in its alumni who have gone on to pursue higher education at prestigious institutions both in India and abroad, from AIMS, IITs, IIM Bangalore, and reputed law colleges to globally recognized universities in Canada, New York, the UK, and Germany. Their journeys reflect a diverse and impressive academic landscape.
Rising above challenges and rural beginnings, earning a place at AIMS was a dream turned into reality for our shining stars Anshul Rana and Anjali Pungotra, who secured seats in AIMS Delhi and AIMS Jammu respectively.
The journey of success would be incomplete without the mention of Saurav Pasi, who has done his post-graduation from IIM Bangalore, Anhad Singh Bajwa, who is a major in Indian Army, and Prashant Sharma commissioned into Gorkha Rifles from IMA Dehradun and currently posted in College of Military Engineering, Pune as Lieutenant.
Our students Puneet Pal Singh and Nitika secured seats for pursuing MBBS in GMC Amritsar, whereas Harshit Chaudhary is pursuing MBBS from DMC Ludhiana, Maninder Pal Singh from GMC Faridkot, and Jasleen Nangal from GMC Patiala.
CIST also has numerous engineers to its credit. Krishna is pursuing engineering in IIT Jammu, and Karanveer Singh has completed his engineering from NIT Jalandhar.
Apart from this, our student Amit Saini is a reputed officer in Indian Navy. Abhay Singh is getting training to become a merchant navy officer at Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy, and our shining star Jaskaran Singh is pursuing BSc Physics Honours from Leipzig University, Germany. Our amazing students are continuously bringing glories to our school. Gitika did her BCom Honours from Sri Ram College of Commerce. Mithali graduated in Commerce from TAV College, Delhi University. Anishika Rishi is graduated from the Victoria University of Toronto and pursuing her post-graduation from Oxford University, UK.
The entrepreneurial spirit of the school is reflected in Amarveer Kaur, who won the Young Entrepreneurship Award and authored the book Inqilab 2020.
In addition to this, our student Snigdha Sharma has secured a seat in GMC Faridkot. Gurman Singh is studying at TMC Ludhiana. Eknur Singh Vance, Vanshdeep Singh, and Ruchika are enrolled at PIMS Jalandhar and Ahan Agarwal at Thapar Institute.
This list would be incomplete
without the mention of Ravneet Kaur and Navreet Kaur, who secured seats in SGRD Medical College, Amritsar, Anuj Pungotra, who got a seat at NC Medical College, Panipat, and Krishna Gandhi, who is in Adesh Medical College, Bathinda.
Rudra Tehan and Nimanveer Singh are studying computer science in BITS Pilani. In the field of law, Jasmine Kaur has joined Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Patiala. Karmanjot cracked the LSAT and got into Jindal Global Law School. Akshupreet and Rosedeep Saini are at UIL's Punjab University. Kanish is at Symbiosis Law School and Kashish is studying at Gargi College, Delhi University.
Arushi Agarwal is doing BBA Honours at NMIMS Mumbai and Charchit Goyal is pursuing BTech in RMIT Australia. Astha is pursuing MBBS in GMC Patiala and Amrinderpreet Kaur is doing BBA Accountings at Queen's College, New York.
With a vision to break the barriers of traditional teaching and give its students global exposure, the school has embarked on an incredible journey of international collaboration, wherein, under the flagship of Vassal Education, Access MCA, MUN, international trips, international summer camps, and Access USA through the TRAIN program have been introduced to its students.
We are proud to be a part of this collaboration, which has enabled our students to compete with students worldwide. This collaboration is designed to equip the students with the necessary skills required in a globalized world.
CIST organized an international trip to East Coast US for its junior wing students, where students of senior wing visited United Kingdom, where they gained first-hand understanding of different cultures, histories, and educational systems.
Access USA is a specialized program designed by Michigan institutions including Alma College to assist the international students with navigating application requirements to join a private liberal arts college located in Alma, Michigan. As a part of Vassal Education's Global Exposure Initiative, 15 students from its 3 schools attended the prestigious Access USA Summer Institute's program at Alma College, Michigan. This immersive 2-week experience combined academic rigor with the cross-cultural learning, college prep, and recreational activities.
Students participated in over 25 hours of academic sessions led by international faculty in fields like AI, legal innovation, and neuropsychology.
Future leaders are involved in being global citizens. The Eco Club of the school works tirelessly towards a greener planet, ensuring plantation drives and sensitizing the community about the need to protect the resources through the projects like rainwater harvesting and recycling waste. Celebration of different days are also the part of extracurricular activities. Students of a school are active participants of CBSE Expression Series, Veer Gatha Project, and Buddy Groups.
The school hosted the Inter-School Vassal Quiz Quest 2025 in its premises in December 2025, which was an intellectually invigorating event. The event attracted enthusiastic participation of 48 students.
Mr. Murli Pillai, the renowned quiz master, highlighted the significance of cultivating a well-informed student body in an increasingly interconnected world. The winners were facilitated with trophies and cash prizes of rupees 31,000, 21,000, 11,000 for first, second, and third places respectively. The competition served as a source of inspiring students to stay curious, explore new information, and cultivate a habit of continuous learning. CISD conducts numerous career counseling sessions in its premises with association with reputed universities to help students choose subjects or streams that align with their career goals and abilities. These sessions assist students identify their skills, talents, interests, and strengths, and make them learn about different career options, streams of study, and future opportunities available to them. In addition to this, Vassal Education maintains a valued partnership with IDC, iDream Career Council, a primary Indian career guidance service providing AI-enabled personalized counseling, psychometric assessments, and action plans to school students.
Recently, Vassal Education organized a career fair to expose its students to a variety of career options. The fair brought together professionals from reputed universities, higher education representatives, and alumni to interact with the students.
Mr. Rakshit Tandon's workshop on cybersecurity awareness delved into best practices for online safety, strategies for securing digital identities, and understanding modern cyber risks.
Cambridge International School, Dessua, organized an enlightening one-day workshop in its premises by Ms. Seema Puri to enhance students' holistic growth and cultivate essential dining skills, illuminating the importance of respect, cleanliness, and harmonious dining atmosphere.
At Cambridge, in order to strengthen the bond between home and school, parents are urged to volunteer, join advisory groups, and attend school functions.
Simultaneously, we conduct workshops and seminars from time to time, such as the Parents Orientation Program for the parents of grade 11 and 12 students, in order to enable them to have insights into various career options for their children. The academic counselors of the school organize weekend events wherein parents are engaged to gain insight into their children's learning, experience, and strengthen the partnership between parent and school.
Dear audience, as we stand at the threshold of tomorrow, we carry with us the echoes of today. From curious minds to confident achievers, from small steps to giant leaps. This journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. In every dream nurtured, in every goal achieved, lies the promise of a brighter, boundless future. With hearts full of pride and eyes set on new horizons, we continue to strive, to learn, and to rise. For this is not the beginning of a chapter, but the beginning of a legacy still unfolding. Now, on this note, we request Sanchi and Anvi to kindly proceed with the further course of the program. Thank you.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Head of Primary, Ms. Shorbari Ghosh. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing us.
Sanchi, today is a moment of immense pride and joy for all of us. As the CBSE results were announced of grade 10, our chests are swollen with pride to acknowledge the exceptional performance of our students, which reflects not only their dedication and perseverance, but also the constant support of their parents and their committed guidance by our teachers.
Indeed, Anvi, we have once again set a new benchmark with an outstanding performance by all our students. We are proud of our achievers, and with a roaring applause, let us acknowledge the achievement of Manya Kanwar and Ashima Parmar with 99%. Along with Deep Karman, Ananya, Amitoj Khasriya and Swati for their brilliant performance of 98.6%.
In the silent hours of effort, in the unseen moments of struggle, greatness is quietly born. And today it stands tall and proud, with more than 70% of our students achieving distinctions.
These outstanding results are a true reflection of hard work, discipline, and determination. Each success is an inspiration, reminding us that sincere efforts always lead to meaningful accomplishments.
To celebrate this proud achievement, we now invite our respected principal ma'am, along with our head of primary and our senior and junior headmistresses, to kindly grace the stage for cutting the cake ceremony.
I'd also request Manya Kanwar and Ashima Parmar to join us in the celebration. This celebration is not just about results, but about the journey, the learning, and the bright future that lies ahead for our students.
May this success mark the beginning of many more milestones to come for you.
Let us all join in with a big round of applause as we celebrate this special moment.
This cake is a symbol of every A grade and every bit of effort our students put into their CBSE boards.
We have seen the hardworking students in their classrooms, and today we see the sweet reward at this table.
To our media team and photographers, make sure you capture these smiles. These are the memories of our victory.
May this success mark the beginning of many more milestones to come. Let's have everyone look towards the center camera. Let's make this moment last forever.
Success is a journey, and today we've reached a very delicious milestone.
A delightful celebration of a well-deserved success. Heartiest congratulations to our achievers. You've made us all proud.